This is the authentic Japanese Kikkoman soy sauce, and once you use it, you will never go back. I cannot tell you how many bottles of this soy sauce I've gone through, and I have regretted it every time I've tried a different soy sauce. This soy sauce is so good. It truly is standout, and you want the real version from Japan, not the American version. Now, I know it's just soy sauce, so you're like, why am I watching this video? It's just soy sauce. But no, there is a difference. The flavor of this soy sauce is better. It has a thickness, it has texture, it tastes so good, and it truly elevates all of your dishes. As you can see, most of the label is in Japanese. It is a product of Japan. It is the real deal, and I know that you will love this soy sauce just as I do. Get this soy sauce.